In manufacturing, data is everywhere. But how do you accurately collect and distill it into actionable data that you can use? ShopVue Analytics, part of the ShopVue manufacturing execution system, provides real-time data metrics through user-friendly dashboards to drive efficiency and quality for continuous improvement. ShopVue's MES captures labor, machine, and order data directly from the shop floor, so you can visualize KPIs like OEE and WIP as it happens to leverage key insights to optimize performance. Our analytics and IIoT modules make data collection simple and error-proof, while providing operators with valuable instructions, visualizations, videos, and efficiency metrics to track performance against standards. Managers and supervisors get real-time access to valuable, authenticated data to help drive operational improvements and more easily track KPIs. Not sure you need the entire MES suite? With ShopVue's modular architecture, customers only pay for the features they need. Our proven off-the-shelf interfaces easily integrate into your complete IT landscape. ERP, PLM, APS, payroll, and more, allowing for rapid implementation, scale-up, and ROI. Increase OEE and OLE, reduce downtime, and drive continuous improvement. A better, more efficient shop floor starts with ShopVue. Contact us to schedule a demo.